ISI Technologies, in cooperation with Merry Maids Corporate, have developed two tools that present your franchise to your customers in a brilliant and effective way. This short video will give you insights to how these tools are used and how your prospects as well as your customers will be impressed by them. You've heard it said, there's an app for that. Well, Merry Maids has one and we made it for you. We wanted to develop an app that was not only unique, but also an effective tool that would allow communication and relationship building between the franchise and their customer. It is very important that you learn about the app and see how easy it is to get your customers using it. The app is available in multiple platforms and is beautifully designed, allows your franchise to update it locally with the added benefit of communicating with customers through push notifications. Besides you communicating with your customers, we wanted them to communicate with your office. So right here on the home screen, your customer can request a cleaning, inform you of a change in plans or cancellation, and most importantly, rate the cleaning they received. These features, along with many more in the app, help your customer to stick to you and communicate on a regular basis, increasing touch points as well as relationships. For instance, your franchise can easily update offers for your customers and prospects, and also provide a list of custom services that your location provides. Let's take a look at some of the pieces you can control. With the Premium App service, your franchise will be able to choose from 5 corporately designed offers that will change throughout the year. For example, there may be hearts for Valentine's and turkeys for Thanksgiving, each with a different savings offer. The Services tab will allow the viewer to see what cleaning services are standard with the addition of additional services your local franchise can offer. These are entered once with a Premium app on your web brochure system and then automatically updated throughout. We will see more about that later. Can you imagine someone coming home to a beautifully clean home and they are so pleased they pick up their phone and rate your service right on the app? In addition, if they give a 4 or 5 star rating, they will be asked if they would like to post it on Facebook or other social media. Your franchise will also receive the feedback by email to keep track of your employees' efforts. Okay, how do you let your customers know about your app? Here's a great tool for that. We developed this card that is very close to the size of an iPhone, and on the back talks about the free app and has a QR code connection to the Apple and Android stores right to the app's location. This is a perfect leave behind for your maids to leave with an invoice or on the counter. Being a free service from you, they will naturally want to download it. This will work very well, and you will always use these cards while prospecting at trade shows and other places. Even folks that are not customers would download the app and find value in it.
Imagine a clean you can smell the moment you walk in the door, and a home so refreshing you want to share it with friends. Merry Maids makes it possible while giving you more time with family. You make the list, we get it done.
The Merry Maids web brochure has been in use for over 4 years and is a powerful tool in over 200 franchises. If you are using the digital brochure, you already have the Premium app linked to it at no additional charge. This combination works together to give you control over the two systems seamlessly. We conduct webinars weekly to show you how and your team all about the systems. All of our systems have default information in them and your contact information, so they're good to go from the start, or they can be adjusted to give even more local information. The Merry Maids digital brochure has been the go-to system for the best first impression possible for your prospects. The sales flow, voiceover and animations make a compelling touch point with a strong call to action for the viewers. Delivering this to every inquiry and web visitor should be the best practice in your franchise. Over 200 of the Merry Maids franchises are using it with success. Let your prospects recommend you by easily sending the brochure to their husband, for example, or for approval, or to their friends to show them who is cleaning their house. The brochures are trackable to know who opens them, they work with the website, and are localized right to your franchise. Included with the digital brochure system as well as the app system is a dashboard for controlling the systems themselves. This is a very simple procedure. There's an edit profile system to where you can change, if your business changes, the phone numbers and everything that are inside the brochure. Also, there's a send web brochure function here to where you can put in the email address, first name, last name of the person to receive the brochure, and then the brochure will actually go to them with their name in it. Very powerful tool. If you use Outlook or Gmail or some of those other things, this will work in that system. There's also videos along here that'll tell you how that works. Also, we have a display reports area. So this will tell you how many times it was opened every day and by who. It'll give you the exact location of where it was opened, like this one was opened in Memphis, Tennessee. It'll also tell you how long they spent on every page. So every page has a timer on it, and they will all be listed there. There is also in our system a way to edit the brochure. This is how you make it your own. So coming back here to page 4, for instance, if I wanted to change that picture out to the owner's picture, this would be local information. I can change this text out to talk about how I've been in business for 5 years and have 200 satisfied clients, or whatever I want to put that. We can put some testimonials in here if you would like. There's also information about the local staff. So everything in a red box can actually be adjusted by the individual franchise. Also, these services listed. If you look right here, you can see that they're standard services that are offered by Merry Maids. But if I wanted to put in additional services about my location, I could actually do that. Right in this area, and anything that is actually listed here of course will show up in the brochure, but it'll also show up in the app, and so letting your customers that have the app understand what that's all about. Let's go back to the dashboard again, because there is one thing I'd like to show you, and that's the mobile dashboard. It comes, if you have the ISI Merry Maids digital web brochure, you have a mobile dashboard premium edition. So if I click on this mobile dashboard, this is where the mobile app is actually controlled. I spoke to you earlier about being able to pick on these different ads and advertisings under the offers, and you can do that right here. So there'll be 5 of them listed here. You'll be able to pick the appropriate one. Also, push notifications are listed here. So if I wanted to type in, make sure you look at the new offer we have. Then you can hit send, and it will go out to everybody that has the app, that has opted in to get your push notifications. So that's a very good touch tool for your customers. Also, you can manage your customers. So everybody that signs up for it, if there's 300 or 400 of them, they're all going to be listed here, and listed here with their name and phone numbers right along for your information. So that's the way the mobile app, and that's just some of the things that are happening with the mobile app application.